Hey traders, quick update on HBAR. Hedera has dropped about 9% over the last 30 days, and compared to its all-time high of 57 cents, it's now trading around 89 cents. So the big question, is this just a pullback or continued bearish momentum? Right now, the trend still looks a bit weak, but it could also be a short-term cooldown before the next move. HBAR trading signals are in, solid targets just dropped. Check our Patreon page, link in the description and comments. Watch our full price analysis in the video. Don't forget to comment and share. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.